Good evening, Roger Ratchet here. Today I'm going to be using a hole punch to punch some holes in a spare tire cover for trailer. I'm going to put some rivets in so the water has a way of running out without tearing up the cords in the cover. So first, we got to get our hole punch in here, center it over where we want our hole, and punch it. There's our hole. Then we put our rivet on our little rivet tool. Oh, I lost the rivet tool. Well, we'll get the rivet tool on here first, and then we'll recover our rivet. Okay. Let's work that rivet right through that hole. And crease with our tool. And there you have it. Water drain hole. One that won't tear the threads out while going down the road at well, let's say the speed limit. Until next time, I'm Roger Ratchet, and thank you for watching.